Yeah, Hi, I'm San Sindhil Kumar. I'm here to explain about the project. Let's see about the sustainable project management. Mm, First, let's see about the phases of the project. These are the main phases of the project. First one is research and development, and second one is procurement and supply chain management. Third one is manufacturing, and fourth one is marketing and sales, and fifth one is post-launch support. Research and development. It has a sub process also. It's like marketing analysis and designs and material selections and a lot of sub processes in the projects and energy efficient waste of management, quality assessment, product launch strategies and commitment engagements and everything stakeholder communication maintenance service. These are all the sub processes in the project, but we should concentrate about in the main process to get output good. Mm, let's see about the next project. It's a sustainable project management process map. This is also like before we saw that phases like research and development and procurement and supply chain management and manufacturing and marketing and sales and post launch supporters. It also has some tactical techniques in this map, like marketing analysis and design and prototypes, like resources acquisitions and supplier assessments and quality assurance, everything, and customer outreach and communicating adjustment, and most of the is the end of the life management, because once our product it expires, then we can use that material to re-renewable. So that is the main thing, to select the material selections is very important in this project. Let's see about the overview of the project. For example, the new program of the Tesla targets a design electric van for their business segments as a response of the UK market trends. The key objectives of the project is provide high utilities, eco-friendly telecommunication transportations options that would also satisfies the needs to the commercial clients. And the project objectives and goals is the main strategic goal is development to the next generation of electric vehicles and market entry and expansions in the UK operational effectiveness and reduction of the carbon footprints. The project aims to make Yemen convincing substitutes of to traditional automobiles of champions Tesla market. And important of sustainability in the project, the location also has a focus of sustainability as part of the past aspect the project, including raw materials, choice and production methods would be environment friendly. Those with Tesla plans to work upon the decreases in the environment effects, and also increase the rate of commitments to social initiatives, thus achieving the sustainable business oriented objects. Let's see about the project objectives and deliverables and sustainability goals. It's a deliverable and project objectives. It's a design is more important in our project, and also increasing greener transport and decrease carbon emission with the focusing on sociable transports. And also it is important to make a very strategic entry to ensure that you have captured the market share of the UK markets. And also key deliverable, it's a product and efficiency, like a part and assembly drawing, and sustainability goals, ESG criteria, everything the lowest rate of carbon emissions in the world over the past 10 years. More about the keep up with environments and social and governance, and more commonly referred to standards, everything in sustainability procurements. The buyer must purchase only those items that are safe environment in order to prevent wastage of resources. Okay, let's see the next explanation of the masses process map. It organized the project task in order to despite the flow for each phases of the work and its sub-steps, the overall picture of tasks, connections, and the implementation of sustainability and initiative location in comprehensive. The importance of visualizing projects, it's a workflow. The use of flow charts in managing project and facility visualization of the key events, especially in terms of the sequence and integrations with other tasks. This helps to define critical constraints, guarantee that the response are effectively being utilized and keep alignment with the long-term sustainability objectives. Next, here about the research and development. This is also same like we saw before the main phases, like marketing analysis and design and prototyping, material selections and sustainability assessment. Let's see about the market analysis. Once we start the business, before launch our product, we must give the advertisement of a project before it's come to the market. So we can accept a lot of expectations to sell our buyers, because before embarking of the business, a market research had to be conducted in order to know the buyer and the competitor to expect. And design and prototyping, science fictions like a sketch or outline, produced mock-ups, conduct experimentation and validations, everything. A material selection, select appropriate materials to be used and explore way to ensure they are environmentally friendly and green and suppliers. Sustainable assessment, to incorporate feedback, conduct life cycle assessments, environment impact evaluations during the product development process. And material selection is one of the most important thing in this project, because material, if we choose the wrong material, then it will collapse all the development ideas. So we must select the correct material for the environment and greener to help our environments. Next year the topic, procurement and supply chain management. It has a 4 different types of chains management, like supplier selections and resources acquisition and supplier assessment and sustainable sourcing. The supplier selections is a company should introduce guidelines, assess and their suppliers with the focus of sustainability and their performance. And the resource acquisition is a sustainable order, more materials, monitor deliverable and store what is necessary for teaching and learning affordable. And sustainable sourcing, finally develop sourcing policies that reflect ESG requirement and conduct annual suppliers performance evaluation. And supplier assessment, it's a providing signed performance check, sustainability inspection and establishment of improvement schedules. Okay, let's see next. It's a manufacturing. Manufacturing must be all need to planning before the manufacture, because without plan we can't even get a success from a simple thing. So first production planning and the quality assurance and waste management and the energy efficiency, because first production management creates a production plan, like managing resources to the most effective and least cost of effective people to produce. And the quality assurance is must we need to check the quality before it gets to the market, because before we once we didn't get a check the product of the quality in our company before it get the market, then we can get a negative impact of our product. So we must concern about the quality insurance, control every aspect by the setting by quality standards and inspection, as well as test and develop a culture of continuous improvement. And the waste of management, make waste management strategies, introduce recycling initiatives and evaluate presentation of crop. And energy efficiency is a maximum energy efficiency in cooperate and renewable energy and production and reporting and make efficient enhancement ongoing. Okay, let's see next. It's a procurement and supply chain management continues. Yeah, it's a marketing sales. It's a product launch. Last we few slides we saw about strategies of the marketing. The same like as in here. on marketing strategy, sustain and maintain a marketing launch and report on its marketplace response and customer outreach, separate value customers and communicate with them and all collect opinion from their websites. And stakeholders communications, it's outreachable, email plan frequently and promote clearly finding and utilizes input from the stakeholders. And post launch support, it's a maintenance service and customer feedback and continuous improvements and end of life managements. Everything it's included in the post launch support, but we must focus on the maintenance service, service schedules and evacuate service staffs and ensure effective customer care. Then customer feedback collection is use questionnaires as well as review the outcome of the facility changes, because customer feedback it's help us to improve our product quality, everything, because we are making the product for only our customers, so we must concentrate on the customer feedbacks. Then the other thing is integration of digital tools. It's optional for digital environment management tools that will help in managing business process more efficient. So let's say next, so integration of digital tools. But digital project management tools like Asana, Microsoft Project is widely used to tool a plan to monitor to flow a work of resources, but enhancing sustainability with technology integrations, sustainability technologies into business order and cadence-based management. Benefits of using the digital tools and increasing in effective communication in the project teams just good coordination, providing relevant information timely manner and maintaining accountability to the stipulated sustainability deliverable objects. Then let's see about the sustainable integration points. It's a material selection, loss of visa, like that. Material selection is the most important thing in the to make a production, and waste reductions and community engagement and sustainability sourcing. Main the following main source. The sourcing police main resources with ESG standard and support the enforcement of sustainable resources. Okay, let's see the conclusions. It's summoning it's all up. Must note that Tesla products as electric van for the UK market as a clearly example of work of innovation for a greener future. Some of the specific factors include the use of articulated digital project management, highly effective process, will utilize for the resources as well as strong communication with stakeholders. And also I attached the reference about this these slides, so you can see the reference in here.